Hello, all you fixers of the world, or people who need things fixed. As you know, the fixers in the world we're dwindling. People we're in the tech age now. Restart that computer, whatever. But things still need to be fixed, and this thing, as simple as it is, it's so handy. It needs to be fixed. Let's dig into it. Hey y'all, we're going to do a short video today on the Scott's seed spreader. Now, this seed spreader has been through a lot. It not only spreads seeds, it spreads salt, it spreads fertilizer, it spreads everything. I've used it for everything, and I even ran over it with the tractor, and I plastic welded it back together with my plastic welding soldering iron right here. So anyways, I've had this thing apart a bunch of times. Now, we're just going to talk about the modifications that I've done to it today. So this base comes off if you split the handle, take the screws out of the handle, split it open, because it holds on to the handle holds on to the bottom gearbox, let's just call it. So the main gear shaft, it's just held down by the plastic cap that goes in there, and when you go to take this apart, you're likely to have broken screw bosses and spacers, like I have right here. It's supposed to look like this, so you can fix those, you can glue them, you can do whatever. The screws are usually corroded, so I am taking screws like this. And because I've got good screws, I'll go ahead and stick some nice stainless screws in there. But the thing skips a lot. When you put it under load, you get a bunch of heavy salt in there, because I salt my gravel to keep the weeds growing, keep them from growing. And this gear skips right here. It seems fine until you throw it under load. So what I did was I hollowed out this gear on the end shaft, and I put the screw in here, and it's just to try to help steady the shaft and hold it down. There is nothing holding this shaft, although I think that they could have made it that way. So now that I've modified it, I'm going to put some glue right here, and I added a longer screw for that spot, and so it's going to actually go down through the glue and into the body. And so it's just going to go just like this with some glue, and it's going to live to spread again. Okay, despite my best efforts, as soon as I turned this thing over and picked it up, turned the handle, the gears were skipping. So I found that this base here and this, it was the last piece of the puzzle. So I put my heavy weight on here, made me a little bracket, and put a couple screws in it and some glue as well. And now I use my finger as load, and it doesn't skip anymore. It just won't turn if it won't turn. So now, despite no matter how much stuff I put in it, it's gonna turn, it's gonna live on. So another item fixed. It just took it took a second effort, or a third or fourth, or how many efforts it took. I got it done. She's back to 100%.